So friends, welcome us again. We are learning at present different formulas of passive voice. In today's session, in today's lecture, we are going to learn passive voice of continuous present tense or present continuous tense, or we can say present progressive tense. So this is the formula, friend. For every sentence, object plus amiga plus being plus V3 plus by. How? Give you one practice, one sentence for practice. She is doing that work at present. So this is active voice, affirmative sentence. She is doing that work at present. So what is she doing at present? That work. That work is an object. So that work is, it is singular. That work is an object. That work is being done by her at present. Now if it is negative, so object plus amiga plus not plus being plus V3 plus by. This is the formula for you, friends. They are not playing cricket at this moment. They are not playing cricket at this moment. So this is present continuous tense, negative sentence. So what are they not playing at present? So cricket. So cricket is an object in this sentence, friend. So cricket is not being played by them at present. Now the third one is simple interrogative sentence. So in the beginning we have to write down amiga as per the object, then we write being plus V3 plus by plus question mark. Are you writing that later at present? This is simple interrogative, friends. So in this sentence, the object is a later. Are you writing a later at present? So a later is an object. It is in singular form. So I will begin the sentence with is a later being written by you at present. Is it clear, friend? So the interrogative form is retained while changing the sentence from active voice to passive voice, friend. Now, interrogative sentence beginning with a question word. So in the beginning we write down question word. This question word plus amiga plus object plus being plus V3 plus by plus question mark. I will give you one more practice. Why are they watching TV at present? Why are they watching TV at present? So I would write the answer. Why is TV? Why is TV being watched by them at present? Is it clear, friend? So I have given you two sentences for your practice. The first one is, she is writing a letter now. So, what is she writing it now? So, a letter is an object. This is present progressive tense or continuous present tense, or we can say present continuous tense. Affirmative sentence, I would apply this formula for changing this sentence from active to passive voice. So, I have to write down a letter is being written by her. She changed it to by her now. Just try to understand this formula. Now next one is, who is drawing that picture now? So in our last section I had told you that if the sentence begins with who is changed into by whom, right? So I would write the sentence like this, by whom. Here that picture is an object. This is singular. So I would use is. By whom is that picture? being drawn. Draw, drew, drawn, friend. D-R-A-W-N. By whom is that picture being drawn? Now. So, like simple present tense, this is also very easy. Simply we have to remember, in present continuous tense we use am is are plus being. Remember friends, am is are plus being is used. V3 is used in all the tenses while changing the sentence from active to passive voice. I is changed into by me, we is changed into by us. There is no change in you. He is changed into by him, she is into by her. There is no change in it in active versus passive voice. And they is changed into by her. The subject form of pronoun is changed into object form in passive voice. If the sentence is affirmative, the answer will be affirmative in passive voice. If it is negative, the PV will be in negative form. If it is interrogative, so the passive voice will be in interrogative form. So this is very simple. Simply you have to follow the rules that I have taught you in our earlier sessions. Friends, okay. So in our next session, we shall be learning perfect present tense. In the meanwhile, friends, are you enjoying this video? We are going very slow. No need to hurry and worry. You should have the clear concept of all the tenses, active voice and passive voice tense. We are with you. You have to be with us. Do like our video. Do subscribe our channel for more and more updates, friend. And don't forget to send us your comments. Okay, friend. See you in our next session. In the meantime, bye, friends.